Welcome to Learn English with Lizzy. My name is Elizabeth Peter, and my goal is to help you improve your English fluency through educational English videos. Today, we are going to learn about 20 advanced English words beginning with letter L. Legacy. This means money or property that you received from somebody after they die. An inheritance. Example, they got no legacy from their late father. James got this house as a legacy from his mother. The synonym for legacy is inheritance. Legalistic. This means obeying the law too strictly in a way that is disapproving. Example, the group advocated for a less legalistic approach to dispute resolution. A legalistic judgment. Legalize. This means to make something legal. Example, smoking in public places is not legalized in this country. This means it is prohibited to smoke in public places. Legend. A legend is a story from ancient times about people and events that may or may not be true. Example, the whole story about a singing monkey is just a legend. Secondly, it means a very famous person, especially in a particular field, who is admired by other people. Example, he is one of Hollywood's living legends. Leggy. This means a person, especially a woman, who has long legs. Example, a pretty leggy woman. Legible. This means of writing or printed words clear and easy to read. Example, he has a more legible handwriting than his sister. Legroom. This means the amount of space available for your leg when you are sitting in a car, in a plane, or in a theater. Example, she had no more legroom in the car because of her height. Lengthen. This means to become longer or to make something longer. Example, her dress lengthened in the wind. The opposite is shorten. Lengthy. This means very long in time or in size. Example, the chairman gave a lengthy speech. This means the chairman gave a very long speech. Lenient. This means not very strict or severe when punishing somebody for doing something wrong. Not very strict when ensuring that the rules are obeyed. Example, the judge gave a very lenient sentence to the convict. If you enjoyed the video this far, kindly click on the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you. Leonine. This means like a lion. Example, she saw a leonine figure in the dark. He gave a leonine roar. Let down. This means something that is disappointing because it is not as good as you expected it to be. Example, the show was a complete letdown. Level-headed. This means calm and sensible, especially in difficult situations. Example, a level-headed young man. Levelly. This means in a calm and steady way. Example, she levelly walked down the hill. Levitate. This means to rise and float in the air with no physical support, especially by means of magic or by using special mental powers to make something rise and float in this way. Example, I saw 3 bodies levitating in the dark. Lifeblood. This means something that is essential or necessary for the survival, development, or success or good health of something. Example, education is the lifeblood of human development. Lifelike. This means exactly like a real person or thing. Example, the boy was fascinated by the lifelike statue of the king. Lifelong. This means lasting or existing all through one's life. Example, getting married is a lifelong commitment. Light-fingered. This means a person who is likely to steal things. Example, a light-fingered young woman. Limpid. Of liquids, clear or transparent. Example, she levelly gazed into the limpid river. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like the video.